আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে আপনাকে আমি নিয়ে যাবো ফ্যামিলি মেম্বার লেখালে
We came that day when it was pouring rain. And then it was not dry. It was dry. Further up there, sir, at the entrance, it is a bit lower.
Very difficult to explain the suffering of the people. Nobody can understand actually what it is and why it is. But one thing I've realized that the government of India has received the people with great dignity and with great love for the people. I've never seen that before in all these years that I've been in India, what I've seen this time. The way they have received the people and the way they have served the people.
Are you despairing yourself of being able to...
Oh, no, not at all, not at all. Great things will come out of this.
You're sure?
Yeah.